It's a regular hot summer day. I have one of my doctor's visits. Nothing bad, just routine. We made a run to Costco for a few supplies. Say, how many of you have ever gotten out of Costco for less than $500? You know, the $500 club? Comment in the notes below. Grizz did wonderful. It's an intimidating place for a 7-pound little service dog.
Such a beautiful and cloudy morning. Okay, come on, big boy. Let's check out Dishy. And then I did one thing that I haven't done in quite a while. Grizz and I have discovered a new breakfast that we really like. Are you one tired little guy? Anything for a belly rub, huh? Pretty boy.
Chris remembers some truck maintenance that he's neglected.
Such a beautiful and cloudy morning. Yeah, that means maybe it'll be cool enough to compound some more on the rig.
20 minutes later.
Nope. It all burned off. Okay, come on, big boy. Let's check out Dishy. It looks like we need to do a little tuning here. Tighten her down.
Chris and Grizz have a new, old idea for breakfast.
Hopefully that'll do it. We'll see. One of the other things that I kind of wanted to touch on, was that while being sick, I haven't done most of the minor maintenance things that you'd think guys would normally do. And one of the big ones is taking care of our tow vehicle. I love that truck. I mean, it's been wonderful to us. And I just recently popped the hood to take a look. It was filthy. So I took it up to a pressure washer, you know, those manual car wash things with the wands, and rinsed everything off inside. I saw that there was a little bit of corrosion stuff, battery acid built up on both batteries. So I rinsed that off real good, got it back home. By then it had dried. And I went in and got some baking soda, put it in a Pyrex measuring dish, a little water in it, mixed it up real good, and sprinkled that over the terminal posts where it had corroded some. Being real careful not to get it anywhere else, and then immediately rinsed it all off with the garden hose that I'd had hooked up, ready to go. Got that cleaned up. Didn't have my usual battery maintenance kit that I had when we were in a sticks and bricks, so used a little bit of WD-40 in all of the posts to make sure that it was taken care of. It would be harder for corrosion to build up. And then I did one thing that I haven't done in quite a while. I went ahead and popped the caps. It's flooded battery cells. I looked inside and it was a little low. I couldn't see the top of the cells themselves, but there was still water in it. Went back in and got some distilled water in my little syringe bulb and started filling it up. And it took about half a cup per side. That's per battery. There's 2 in that truck to get it filled back up to the proper check level. That's way too much down. And I've never let something get that far along. When you're not feeling good, you don't always think about all the little things that you would normally do. So I need to remember to force myself to take care of this stuff. That thing's our only transportation right now, and we need to make sure that it's running in top notch. it's done and it's ready, and I'm gonna, when I get through with compounding the rest of the rig, I'm gonna redo the truck as well and put a super nice coat of wax, maybe a ceramic on it, to help keep it lasting a little bit longer. I've noticed that the cheap ones that I buy don't last more than a few weeks at a time before they're basically gone and the finish isn't slick anymore. So I'll see if I can find something better. It's amazing how things catch up to you if you're not paying attention. Today, Shelley has a doctor's appointment, so we're going to go over and take care of that. And Grizz's food has come in. We have it sent to one of our friends' house just to make sure that he'll put it in our freezer for us so it's nice and solid and we can bring it back home and it'll stay frozen longer in our camping fridge. It doesn't do a real good job during the summer of keeping everything frozen the way it should, so we try not to put as much food in it as we possibly can. And that'll help out. He's also got a couple of bark boxes waiting for him. He's going to be one happy little boy by the time we get through. Grizz and I have discovered a new breakfast that we really like. I'm feeding him a scrambled egg, and he absolutely loves it. Plus, if I mix it in with some of his regular food that he's kind of wishy-washy on right now, it gets him to really wolf it all down. Now for me, I'm doing an old favorite that I haven't done in years, and that's avocado toast, but I put a twist in it. I make the avocado toast with garlic bread, and then I retoast that garlic bread. It's already cooked in the oven, and I retoast it and add a little bit of chili crisp to it. I'll show you what that is in a minute. You can make your own too. It's not bad at all, and it's just a little bit spicy. I crush the avocados in their shells, one less plate that I have to clean up, and then I go ahead and spread it on top of the toast, put some chili crisp on top of that, and then in the pan I cook the eggs and I drizzle a little bit of the chili crisp oil over top of them. Then I put 2 eggs that are over easy on top of the avocados with the chili crisp on top of that and a little salt and pepper, and I've got a wonderful breakfast that tastes just awesome. And Grizz has got a wonderful one too that he's done before I am. I'm just not gonna mess with his little mind by letting him have any of my egg. It's got some of that chili stuff on it. So if you're thinking of something for a quick breakfast, it's easy, it's quick, and it's wonderful. Give it a try. You might really like it. We're going to head back to the RV right now. It's a short little jaunt. We stopped by the pool to give Grizz a chance to sniff at everything here. Now we'll head back to the rig and see Mama, which, Grizz's ears picked up, and hunker down for the long, hot summer days. See you guys after a bit. Bye.
Insiders, yes, we're still waiting too.
Are you one tired little guy? Anything for a belly rub, huh? Pretty boy.
We love you all. Thank you for sharing this, and every Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. Your likes and comments always bring a smile to our faces. Please, travel safe.